Hey guys, come take a look at this new listing at 1725 Lady Betty in Carrollton in the acclaimed Castle Hills community. Right when you walk in, you'll notice the soaring ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors, and all the amazing natural light. The first impression is just wow. It's so welcoming. Off to the side here, we have a bright and airy home office with so much light. I just love all the windows in this home. Next up, we have the formal dining room. I love how open and elegant this space feels. Let's talk about this kitchen. You come in through the cozy coffee bar next to a spacious pantry, and it opens right up into the heart of the home with a great view of the open space. The ceilings are so tall, the windows bring in all the natural light. And the fireplace, perfect for cozy nights in. And check this out. These sliding doors open all the way, making it so easy to take the party outside. Out here, you've got a covered patio with ceiling fans and a gas line, ready for all your backyard barbecues or just relaxing with a good book. It's such a great space to enjoy the outdoors. Now let me show you the primary suite. It's your own private retreat. The bedroom is so spacious and calming, and the bathroom, it's like stepping into a spa. There's a freestanding tub, a walk-in shower, separate vanities, and not one, but two big walk-in closets. So dreamy. Before we head upstairs, let me show you a few more highlights. Just around the corner, you'll find a lovely guest suite complete with its own bath, a thoughtful touch to ensure visitors feel right at home. This mudroom and laundry area connects directly to the garage, making it perfect for staying organized. Upstairs, you've got this huge game room that overlooks the living room. It's such a fun space for hanging out. And right next door is a cozy pre-wired media room, all ready for your movie nights or game days. Down the hall, there are two more bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Each bedroom has its own private vanity, so there's plenty of space for everyone to get ready. Third bedroom is set up as an office right now, but it could be easily a bedroom, playroom, or even a home gym. Whatever works for you. So much flexibility. One of the best things about living here in Castle Hills is lifestyle. You're just steps from parks, pools, walking trails, fitness centers, tennis, and even a golf course. There's something for everyone right at your doorstep. This home is barely been lived in. It's less than 2 years old, built by American legends. Message me below if you'd like a private tour of this new listing.